I'll keep this short. I'm making a new YouTube channel. It's going to be called Spreezy Tech. I've been doing tech videos on my main channel here for a while now, but unfortunately, YouTube's forcing creators to make new channels whenever they want to switch up their content. So mixing gaming and some other stuff on this channel is just out of the question, it seems. I want to do guides, I want to do tech reviews, and I want you guys to choose what you want to watch. This has honestly been a long time coming now, and I'm going to ask you if you're really interested, and I mean really interested in tech topics that I want to cover. Please subscribe to the channel. If you're not, do not, all right? The best way to support me is to completely avoid that channel if you're not interested in that. It's going to be a fresh start. I'm starting with 0 subscribers, no partnership there. And as for the gaming channel, I'm going to keep doing gaming videos. Don't worry about that. That's it for this new update. I'm going to leave a link up here and in the description and the comments, literally everywhere. And the first video is already up on that channel, so go and watch it. But only if you're going to watch the whole thing, all right? See you in the next one, guys.